Hi guys, your girl Monica Njoroge. I still don't have an intro yet and I'm looking for one. It's been a while and today I'm showing you how to do flat twist outs for beginners. We'll start with my hair. My hair is clean, like super clean. So since I washed it yesterday, it's dry, and the first thing you do, make sure your hair is moisturized to avoid breakage. To avoid breakage, you need to keep moisturizing your hair, and I have this spray bottle. Here's water. This water is a mixture of just water and some oils that I use on my hair. So moisturize my hair. My hair is long, guys, but shrinkage is really slow. I'm done with moisturizing my hair. You can have a look. This is how my hair looks like when moisturized. And then I'll go in with my oils. I use different types. Like this one is sweet almond. I'm doing a mixture of oils, then coconut oil and olive oil. And this will go direct to my hair. I'm doing this just to seal in the moisture. After that, for my scalp, I'm going with this. This is my Jamaican black castor oil. This has really helped with my scalp, especially with my hairline. I massage my scalp with this Jamaican black castor oil. And I think we are good to go. We are good to go. We are good to go. When I'm sectioning my hair, I use this comb because it helps with keeping the lines straight. So this is very nice, but you can use whatever works for you. And then hold the hair to keep it out of line. I should have sectioned it into like 3. Let me hold this one. I hold this part. And then this part, I think I'll just use this clip. And then we have this. See the way my hair is long? But shrinkage is real. Shrinkage is real, guys. See. So anyway, I'll use a comb, and I like using a very wide comb to ensure that my hair doesn't break so much. And you start with the ends going downwards, and then there we go. It's so easy to comb a very moisturized hair. You don't struggle. And with this, now here's the catch, or here's where everything lies. You section this part into two. Section this part into two equal parts. For the normal twists, you just go like this, go like this, go like this. But today we are not doing the normal twists. So this is how you hold your hair. I use these two fingers, my thumb finger and this one, to hold the hair. I will use these two. And then this one, my middle finger, will be to pull the hair from beneath. So this is how it goes. You put this one under, and then like this. Then I using my middle finger, I pull some hair which will go with this hair. And then using my middle finger again, I will pull some hair to mix with this. Then you keep going. 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 Keep going until the end. And then you do like this, you just go like this, pulling the hair on top of each other. And towards the end, you do like this to ensure that your hair doesn't come off the curls or the twist. We do another one. Make sure that these two sections are equal so that you have a very good or a very clear beginning. I'll do this, and then using my middle finger, I will pull the hair, and then using my other middle finger, I will pull for this side. So like this, Like that. Like that. Like that. Guys, it's very much okay for healthy hair to break. It is very much okay for healthy hair to break. Yeah, you must have breakage, no matter how healthy your hair is. Make sure that these two sections are in equal measure. Like this. Like this. Using my middle finger, I pull some here, and then using my this index finger and my thumb, I pull over, and then again here, I use this index and thumb, and then using my middle finger, I pull some here. Return, and I just hope that it is visible from the back. that's just about it. So that's just about it, guys. And remember, I said this is not for styling purposes, it is for training purposes. So it doesn't have to be neat. And if you're a beginner and you come out with something looking like this, you've done you've done well, really well. So you don't need to worry about them not coming out as neat as you would have wanted, because when you're a beginner, anything goes. And with practice, you will make perfect. They say practice makes perfect. So when you keep practicing, when you do this the first time, the second time, of course, will be better than the first time, and the trend goes. So the first time, second time, third time, by the fourth time, you will have perfected the art, and you will come out with something looking so neat, something that you can actually walk in the streets comfortably with. And again, as you learn how to do this, as you learn how to do the twist outs, you will learn how to style them in a better style, and that will give you the confidence that you would want. So thank you so much for watching, and for more of these videos, I'll be doing more of these videos. So keep it here, keep it locked, and we'll do more of these. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit the red button down below, which is free of charge. No one is gonna charge you for subscribing. And then hit the notification button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. The notification button is the bell icon. So you hit the red button, the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, you hit the notification button, that is the bell icon, so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you, bye.